Here we are in a cute cafe called the Wooden Door. Ryan's making a fuss over his sandwich here. He doesn't know what way to eat it. We're playing a game. Ryan is refusing to put the cards away. We've literally just started, but he got a good hand, so he's convinced he's going to win now.
You don't just wrap it all up because the food comes. We never do that.
I got a BLT and a strawberry smoothie. Ryan got an ultimate sandwich with a cappuccino. And this is what it looks like. How cute is this place?
Yummy.
All-time best sandwiches, says Ryan. Let me see. Oh, you have... Oh! I was like, where did this tomato come from? Ryan got rid of it. He doesn't eat tomatoes. That is tasty. We're in Chiang Mai. We flew in this morning. We are staying in the same place for 4 nights, which is a very big thing to us.
Very big news to me.
Very big news.
We had in the breeze.
Basically we've been on the go and we've been staying in one place per night for, I think it was only one place we stayed 2 nights, wasn't it?
2.
Was it 2?
The start as well.
It's going to be nice to not have to pack our bags every day.
Yeah.
We can actually unpack.
If you're spicy lover, we have some chili separate. You can put it on as much as you want.
Your hand looks like it's on, probably.
What was on? I'm recording this imposter. She hasn't paid yet. She's walked in here. She refused to pay. We don't like people like you. You're on video.
You don't see facts that elephants. Can you tell me anything?
Yes. So.
Yes. Chang means elephant. So Chang chill is elephant chill.
Chang means beer is way down.
No?
And Chiang Mai means beer city.
No. Chiang Mai is spelled differently, so it has an I, so that means city. Whereas Chang, which is like the beer, and this cap here is elephant, so there's no I. This is me. I hope I don't get eaten alive here, because we're about to enter the jump.
Or the elephant, or the elephant. The color of that skin different from the other part of the body. And here you see and her name Mopra. Okay.
One, two, three, four. Then fly and put this over there.
What do you want me to do? Our flight to Laos.
No, your first flight, the one from Ireland. We missed Molly that.
Yeah.
You did, yeah. So yeah, it was all a bit of a mess, but we got here and we got our itinerary sorted, and we're enjoying ourselves now. So
We're not missing anything either. I mean,
everyone's telling us that like we didn't pack enough, we needed bigger bags, we needed to pay for like more. We didn't need it all. So we've more space than we
we've
need.
so much space and the bags are tiny and
Yeah. So we travel pretty light anyway. We don't really need much.
Great. Isn't that great?
Yeah.
That's great too, because
there used to be a rhyme that I used to get lashed with when I was kids. Little Tommy Tucker. You should write this to I was born.
Oh god.
alright. Look to
Okay.
you both anyway.
Go on.
And safe journeys until we see you again, okay?
Yeah.
Go on. Bye.
So
Take care.
bye bye.
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 Bye to both.
Jesus. Thank God that's over. Huh? Yeah.
This woman just here with her goats in the city. It's madness, isn't it? There she is. Crazy. Among the city life. Temple. Which apartment do you think's doing the weed?
Down the weed. Well, I
Just
believe it
smell
might be this
weed.
one.
What?
Yeah, I have a sneaky feeling it might be this one.
Oh my god, your eyes would say the same.
Might have me onto something.
No.
I know a thing or two about a thing or two. And I know exactly where the supplier, the source, I know the user, I know the judge, the jury, and the executioner.
Every time I press record, he just talks nonsense. He loves it. I think it's the water. Alright, buddy.
Alright, lad, alright.
What are we doing next?
We're going to the pool.
Does it look like I'm on the... Let me just put this
On the
your-
veranda.
Yeah, let me put this on your... I'm using Ryan's chin as a tripod. No, come here.
The worst tripod
No.
in the world.
It needs to be like...
Hola, niño.
Half the stuff we record cannot be used. It's just you making faces at the camera. Again? Oh, okay. Ready? Oh. Ryan and I are going to the gym. He's dressed like a watermelon. I'm dressed like this.
Scored a couple of goals in the Champions League and League Cup already this season as crosser. So with a lot to do.
It's all been a bit disjointed. They're trying something different. It's a bit of an experiment.
It's not working so far.
Wasn't able to get the goal.
I like it. Like, it's not a replica. It's not so You have to stay holding on to me, okay?
Who is this addressed to?
This is to Tommy and Jean Kelly.
Okay.
Yeah, so dear Nanny and Grandad, we are writing to you from Chiang Mai in Thailand. Our flight to Luang Prabang is in 3 hours. We miss you and think about all your tales daily at this rate. Funnily enough, I almost forgot your address, so I googled where do Tommy Tucker
Little Tommy Tucker.
and Mickey Mouse Trouble Jean live, and got my answer. Love, Ryan and Molly.
Very good, very good, very good. He also got a passion fruit soda. Loving
Yes,
it.
it's super with a capital S.
So this is to the Hayes family. Let this postcard be a reminder that I am still alive. I have trekked through the wilderness of both South and North Thailand. I have been collecting treasures for you all on my journey. Perhaps one day you will receive them. If I ever return, that is. You would all love it here, especially Bingo. It is very wild and green. I hope you don't miss me too much. The eldest, Mom.
Oh, all right.